SERV stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. So SERV Robotics stock sitting at 187% up for the day. That is mental. That's some crazy stuff right there. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna see stocks like this move. So where's it going next? Just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that previously delivered thousands of correct predictions in 2023, 2024. But looking at SERV, I have seen like a clean break here, honestly, from a weekly chart. In this exact situation, I would not be taking any particular buys or sells, whatever. Wouldn't be doing a thing, because I don't like the price action, honestly. Like, it's just a random upside movement. Obviously, there is a lot of chance this continues to go up, but I would not just jump on the hype and the trend, because most of the time this ends up badly. So, I mean, maybe if the price pulls inside a demand area, like a clean, clean double breaks met. But yeah, if the rules are not met, I'm not taking a trade. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars.